Are you looking for all natural ways to support your pet's health? From anxiety to digestive issues to joint pain and immune support, herbs can be a great addition to your pet's wellness routine. But how do you know which herbs are safe, how to use them, and what to avoid? I'm Brandy, a certified clinical herbalist and the founder of Little Prairie Herbal Apothecary. In today's video, we're going to dive into safe and effective herbal remedies for our pets, the best way to use them, and how they can complement your pet's overall health. As an herbalist and a pet owner myself, I've seen firsthand how natural remedies can make a huge difference in your pet's overall wellness. A very eye-opening experience was with our own dog, Leela, who has sound-induced anxiety. On traditional medications like trazodone, she would pace the house in a drug-induced stupor, her eyes would be glassed over, and she'd be completely oblivious to the world around her. But one 4th of July, I decided to introduce blue vervain to her in the morning and a few times throughout the day. And for the first time ever during the fireworks, she peacefully napped on the couch. It was a huge breakthrough, proving to me once again how powerful herbal remedies actually can be. But here's the thing, not all herbs that are safe for humans are safe for our pets. That's why understanding which herbs to use and which to avoid is so very important. Let's break it all down together. But before we dive in, don't forget to click on the free home apothecary checklist in the link below. It's packed with essential herbs and all the tools to help you get started making your own herbal remedies at home for both you and your pets. Why should we consider herbal remedies for our pets? Just like us, animals can benefit from gentle plant-based support. Herbal remedies can be used for things like calming stress and anxiety, supporting digestion, reducing inflammation, promoting joint health, and boosting immunity. The key is knowing which herbs are safe and how to use them properly. Does your pet experience separation anxiety, travel stress, or fear of loud noises? The following herbs might help. Chamomile soothes tension and relaxes an upset stomach. Catnip, it's not just for our cats. It can also help dogs relax and unwind. Lavender helps ease anxiety through scent and gentle application. And one of my favorites, blue vervain, for high-strung or easily overstimulated pets. Some of the best ways to use these specific herbs are offering chamomile or catnip tea in their water, creating a DIY lavender spray for their bedding, or using blue vervain in a glycerin-based tincture for high-anxiety pets. If your pet suffers from nausea, gas, or indigestion, or is often eating things that it shouldn't be, these herbs can help. Ginger reduces nausea and helps with motion sickness. Marshmallow root soothes the stomach's lining and digestive tract. Slippery elm coats the stomach and supports gut health. Basil helps reduce bloating, gas, and inflammation. The best ways to use these herbs is sprinkling a tiny amount of ginger or basil on their food. Or you can make a slippery elm paste to coat and soothe the digestive tract. As our pets age, pain and inflammation can affect their mobility. These herbs might be able to help. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that supports joints and mobility. Rosemary in small amounts supports circulation and reduces muscle tension. Alfalfa is a mineral-rich herb that helps with arthritis and joint stiffness. Sage can help reduce inflammation in senior pets. Some of the best ways to use this is mix a small pinch of turmeric into the food with a little bit of coconut oil for better absorption. Or you could brew some rosemary tea as a muscle relaxing rinse. And alfalfa can be lightly sprinkled on their food to support joint health. Immune boosting and detoxing herbs keeps your pet's immune system strong. And this is key to long-term health. These herbs can help detox and protect their bodies. Cilantro supports liver detox and digestion. Reishi mushroom is a gentle adaptogen that boosts the immune system and helps combat stress. Burdock root in small quantities supports lymphatic drainage and skin health. Thyme is a great herb for seasonal immune support. Some of the best ways to use these are lightly sprinkle cilantro or burdock root over their food, or create an herbal tea blend for immune support. Reishi mushroom can be used as a powder, added to food. Many herbs that are perfectly safe for humans can be toxic to our pets. Here are some to avoid. Garlic and onions. These can cause anemia in both cats and dogs. Comfrey, it can cause liver damage in pets. Pennyroyal is extremely toxic, especially for pregnant pets. Yarrow can be too strong for small pets and cause digestive upset. Licorice root can affect blood pressure and cause electrolyte imbalances in some animals. St. John's wort. It can interact with other medications and cause photosensitivity in pets. Oregano, while a great antimicrobial for humans, can be too harsh for our pets' digestive systems. Always research the different species-specific safety, as dogs and cats metabolize herbs very differently. There are many ways to introduce herbs safely into your pet's routine. Herbal teas. Cooled chamomile, ginger, or slippery elm tea can be added to their water or food. Glycerin-based tinctures that are alcohol-free are best for our pets. Infused oils and salves are great for skin irritations, wounds, and inflammation. Start slow. Always introduce herbs in very small amounts and observe how your pets react. And don't forget to download my free home apothecary checklist in the link below to get you started. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.